okogenda kuwa mugavana Arati State House. There is nothing wrong with that. What's wrong? Let me ask you. Inumurarangere ku State House bono igo. Mabinto ko bara musa nasta. Why should you feel bad ya karumu gavana kogenda?
Entura barari anto.
Of course, I say go te banga ki abarari bo sipi Kenya. Matilda no sali go inchu. Ma bizako biri ko sagiru botaka iri botwali ko barore TV ga ori Matilda ori do sali go.
Era batingi kwarangirirwa.
Yes. So there is nothing wrong going to State House. In any case, that is a state office. That's a public in the Kenya baga chiti. And leader utaka kogendo for whatever reason, there is nothing wrong. No injena chito. Libanda the last time. A mistake yokaba angwana baba the president ba okora. The likes of Osoro and the Nyakundi and the Chanda. When you invite people, the president, and Akarumu called it Vintomuna Viria, treat them with dignity. The Korangalia Bantegeti, Nayajua. Chiba Sechi Chamaguta. Obegeta Bamule Samanga Mwakivicha. How would you go Kwana? Mumobeko Mutanda. That's why some people was hanging back. So, Kogenda State House on Sargominda. There is nothing wrong. Umogavana Kogendo. Naba MCA Balia. Kogenda State House is a different thing. Go hold accountable for your performance is another thing. Those are different things. Yes.